Hello guys, this is Saifuddin Ghanizada. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to create a YouTube channel. But first, intro. Welcome back guys. In order to create a YouTube channel, first open your browser, navigate to youtube.com. Click on sign in. Sign in with your Gmail account. In previous video, I already created a Gmail account. I will be using that Gmail. Write your password. Click on next. You are successfully signed in into YouTube. Click on this icon and then click on your channel. As I don't have any channel, so I will be creating a new one. In the first text box, you have to enter your name, which is Raul. In the second box, you have to input your last name, which is Kasim. Now click on create channel. My channel is successfully created. It was very easy, wasn't it? Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.